guys, welcome to yet another upload. If you're new here, please subscribe. You don't have to miss this, and click the notification button. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. You know what's going down today? I'm trying to be Nigerian or East African or West African by soup. Yes, look at that right, by its word. It's crazy. I'm going to try to cook okra soup. So I have tasted okra soup, the beef okra soup, the chicken okra soup in Dubai. I used to buy that a lot, but now I can't buy it anymore for some reasons. I was craving for it. So I said, you know what, I'm going to try to cook that. So for this okra soup, I'm going to use turkey wings and hard chicken. I bought it from African store. It's a Nigerian African store. Yes, I'm proud to say that. So I believe this is a Nigerian chicken, but I don't know if it's going to be chicken okra soup because there's a little bit of turkey. I don't know how it's going to be called. So I will need the chicken, I will need pepper, that's chili, I will need tomatoes, I will need the okra, and I hope I have everything. One thing that I don't have is the palm oil. Yeah, for some reason I find it difficult for me to eat food with palm oil. It's new to me. I think I'm yet to learn to eat that. I can't say no or I'll never use it, but with time I'm going to use it. So I'm going to use my ordinary cooking oil because palm oil still smells a little bit for me. So this is me starting to boil the chicken and the turkey. So I added some pepper, I added some oil, I added some garlic powder, I added a little bit of ginger in there. So now the chicken has boiled. Let me prepare the tomatoes. Unfortunately, I can't blend my tomatoes. My house is still new. I need to buy a lot of utensils, so I had to cut the tomatoes. Here's the okra. I tried to slice it a little bit. Let me fry the onions and the salt a little bit. Then I can put the tomatoes and other things that I need to put there. While the okra is boiling on the side. Okay, get that. So please, if you're new here, please subscribe. It's all about do it yourself. DIY, is it hair, is it home things, is it cooking or anything. Anything that I can teach you that I try in the past, you can do it better. So let's prepare the soup. Okay? Unfortunately I forgot to film how I do the okra, but the okra I just put a little bit of hot water, a little bit of salt and bicarbonate soda, and then bring that to boil like the traditional way we do it in my country in Zimbabwe. You have to keep on beating it hard. Okay, so that's how I prepare the okra. Then the soup and the chicken I eat it on the side. Then I just had to put them together. So guys, this is my chicken turkey okra soup. I don't know what's the name, but trust me, it was looking amazing. It was looking so yummy and appetizing. Just for someone who's gonna learn from me, when you're cooking your okra soup, please make sure your chicken or whatever meat you're using is thinly sliced. They are small pieces, because I realized it was too late for me that all my pieces were too big, especially the turkey. They were too big and they were so hard for me to break. So I'm going to serve this with my Zimbabwean most common carbohydrates. This is semolina, or we call it saza in my language. You guys, I know for Nigerians it will be some fufu, some will be some meat, I don't know, but I'm using semolina. It's very nice, you should try it. Look at this, guys. I made this. I used to buy this every weekend for 20 years. This is kind of expensive. I don't know why I didn't think of making this myself all along. So this is the okra suggestion for you guys. Nice pieces. It looks yummy, right? Please subscribe, like, and share. And dini uya ukwisa vanilla in plantain chips. I did another video, guys, please check it out. I had my plantain chips and I really like taking plantain chips with whipped vanilla cream. Okay, please subscribe. Until my next video from me, it was lovely sharing this video with you guys. You can try it as well.